Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redcat University, and today we're going to work on the Dukono Pro. Now this truck right here has seen a lot of action, and it's just time to customize it and make it our own with some Redcat option parts. Today we're going to install the aluminum shock tower. Now this shock tower works on both the front and rear of the vehicle, and it's very easy to install. It's only going to require a 2mm hex wrench. We have our hex fly wrenches here, and it's going to require a cross wrench. Please note that two 3x10mm screws will be required to secure the bumper back onto the new aluminum shock tower or the wheelie bar in the rear. All right, let's get to work. So you know what step one is. It is to remove the body. You already know how to do that. Now on to step two, and that is removing the front bumper. We're going to have to remove the two screws on the top bracket and the two screws on the bottom of the chassis. Use a 2mm hex driver to remove the screws. With the screws removed, the bumper will come right off, and now we have to remove the two upper shock screws. Now with the shocks out of the way, we can remove the 4 screws that secure the shock tower to the gear case. With the tower support screws removed, this will allow you to pull the shock tower up out of the gear case. Now we have to remove the camber link screws using the 2mm hex driver and the cross wrench. With the shock tower free from the vehicle, now we could remove the body mounts. Here's our new aluminum shock tower. Note that the pockets on the shock tower face forward, and if it's on the back of the vehicle, it will face the back of the truck. Now you could go ahead and reinstall the body mounts. Now we can install the new tower in the reverse order of taking out the factory tower. Our new aluminum shock tower option is installed, and this truck is ready for some more backyard bashing. Please take a look at the item description for part numbers and links, and we'll see you back here real soon for some more Redcat University how-tos.